Hey everyone, this is Carolyn Cope from Bridge Marketing. This training is about pixels. A pixel is a piece of code that is placed on an advertiser's website that allows us to track specific actions or conversions that website visitors complete. Pixels can be used to do three things: track conversions like purchases, subscribers, form fills, or leads, retarget website visitors, or analyze trends and optimize a campaign. The benefit of using pixels is that they allow us to prove that specific actions or conversions are occurring on a website. If you have an advertiser who is trying to get consumers to do something specific on their site, using a pixel is the best way to track that. Pixels can also be used to help drive more traffic to an advertiser's website, or they can be used to help an advertiser better understand what their website visitors are doing and how effective their campaign is. Let's talk about the three things pixels can track. Here's an example for using pixels to track conversions. Let's say you invest $500 in a campaign and you're trying to sell tickets to a show that costs $25 each. With standard reporting, you notice that you got 100 clicks. That's great, right? Without knowing how many conversions or sales you got, that number of 100 clicks is very confusing. Some of those clicks may have been accidental and made by people who have zero intention of buying a ticket to your show. Other people may have been exposed to your ad and are interested in buying a ticket, but they didn't click on the ad because they'd prefer to visit your website later when it's a more convenient time. It's extremely common for some clicks to indicate uninterested users, while other interested users don't click at all. If you set up a pixel, all of this confusion goes away. With the help of a pixel, you'll be able to see exactly how many people were exposed to your ad, visited your website, whether they clicked on the ad or not, and ended up converting or purchasing a ticket. This is the biggest benefit of a conversion pixel. Knowing how many people converted will allow you to understand exactly what your return on investment is with the campaign. Here's an example of using pixels for retargeting. Let's say a university wants to run a campaign to attract new students. Because college is not an impulse decision and usually requires a lot of research and comparisons, it's beneficial for the university to keep drawing people back to their site multiple times. The university needs to remain top of mind with people who are expressing interest in their school. Using a retargeting pixel is a great way to accomplish this. Traditional retargeting means that once a visitor is on a website and then leaves, we'll serve ads to that same consumer promoting the website in an effort to bring them back for another visit and further consideration. But wait, not only can we use a pixel to retarget consumers who visit a website, we can also use a pixel to retarget users who complete a specific action on the website. For example, if we wanted to serve ads promoting the graphic design program within the university, we can serve the graphic design ads to users who visited the specific graphic design section of the website. Or perhaps the website has a search feature and we want to retarget users who search for a specific keyword phrase. Or maybe we want to retarget people who sign up to join the mailing list or add a specific product to a shopping cart. We could set up a pixel to retarget only the specific users who are performing the unique action we are trying to get them to accomplish. For another example, maybe the university wants to sell tickets to their sporting events. With the help of a retargeting pixel, we could serve ads that promote football game tickets only to the users who viewed the football schedule. And we can serve lacrosse game ads to users who viewed the lacrosse schedule, or basketball game ads to users who viewed the basketball schedule. Here are some important things to know about retargeting pixels. Retargeted consumers are 70 times more likely to complete the purchase they were considering. Retargeting ads get 10 times higher click-through rates. And retargeted consumers spend an average of 5 times more than the normal consumer. The biggest benefit of a retargeting pixel is that it can be very effective in bringing people back to a website, which significantly increases the chances that they'll convert. If our goal is campaign optimization, tracking pixels can be incredibly helpful when trying to understand the consumer's journey before a conversion occurs. Being able to track how users are interacting with digital ads will offer the advertiser insight into how successful their marketing strategies are and will allow us to make educated and strategic recommendations for improvement. So what is the process if you want to use a pixel with your next campaign? We will create the pixel for your advertiser once we understand exactly what they are trying to accomplish or track. Even if we are tracking multiple things, we can incorporate all of it into one single pixel code. We will then send you the pixel as an email attachment, along with instructions for your advertiser on how the pixel needs to be placed on their website. This is a very simple process and should not intimidate you. If you or your client has any trouble, we are happy to walk you through it. Once the pixel is placed on the site, it will begin to track the specific actions we care about. Once a consumer completes an action, the pixel will fire an alert back to us, and we will be able to show that as a conversion on the campaign reporting. If you have any other questions about pixels or you would like to access this presentation, simply click on the link in the center of the screen or reach out to Greg Anastas, our VP of Account Management, or Carolyn Cope, the VP of Media Sales. Thanks for listening.